Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase e from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines. I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off with a curve in the center down to the right. Then from the right side, let's bring it all the way up, over, and back down. Now let's hop back into the inside line and let's draw a curve down and out to the right, making it a little bit longer. And then let's do the same curve underneath. And now let's close off the end with a curve. Next, let's hop up into the top section and let's draw a curve across here. And then a curve above it, like this. And that's it for the shape of the E. Now let's move in and draw the eyes. In the top section, let's draw a rounded rectangle shape overlapping it here. And then let's erase the overlapping line inside. Now let's draw the right eye. On the top right, let's draw a line up and then curve it over to the right. Then bring it down and then back in and up. And again, let's erase that overlapping line inside this eye. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a line across the middle. And then underneath, let's add a rounded rectangle shape for the pupils. And then let's color them both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the teeth. Underneath the top section, let's start with a curve down like this. And then let's angle it back up. Next, inside, let's add 3 angled lines. Now let's hop down and draw the bottom row of teeth. Let's start with an angle up and then curve it down. And then add 2 lines inside. And that's it for the letter E. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!